This video will show you the wiring configuration for the Tekno S1 on a Premier swing gate control board. Firstly, connect the red wire to the 4th port, positive, on the Tekno S1, and connect the other end to port 15 on the control board. Locate the black wire, connect it to the 5th port, negative, on the Tekno S1. Connect the other end to port 16 on the control board. Locate the white wire, connect it to the 1st port, NO on the Tekno S1. Connect the other end to port 5, COM, on the control board. Locate the blue wire, connect it to the 2nd port, COM, on the Tekno S1. Connect it to port 3, STOP, on the control board.